Shenzhen Appacs Electronic Co. Limited is one of the leading suppliers in USB cable lines and has been in this field over 10 years. We have the head office in Shenzhen and factory in Dongguan. In recent years, Appacs has become a team with experienced ability in research and development, manufacturing, and global marketing areas. The products range from USB cables, earphones, power banks, wall chargers, and car chargers. With acute market sensitivity, our R&D department and sales team bring you professional working experience. Our Dongguan factory passed ISO 9001 factory audit. We have strict quality control and lead time management systems. Continuous innovation and high-end products are the core value of our company. With providing the fashion, safe, and competitive products, we aim to help more people experience the power of technology. We firmly believe that putting an authentic concept throughout every production detail is the most valuable thing. Appacs spreads the brand all over the world. We also accept OEM orders as we take care each step of your growth and development. Join Appacs. Let's make life better.